Peace. Healing through inspiration. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you guys can do that. We got the information in the description box below. Just send us a DM at Healing Through Inspiration. Just want to do this video where I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to make some Limeade ice drink, most definitely. Limeade slush ice drink type. Got the lime. Got the agave. Already got the ice. Ice is in there, you dig. So, yep. I'm doing this with one hand, so we're gonna make it work. Oh, this might be fire. Hold up. I'm gonna squeeze the lime, have a lime in there. Alright. Put a little agave up in there. Sorry, y'all can't even see that. There you go. Actually, that's probably a lot. I might have to add more water. It's cool. I'm trying to see how it goes. You know, you're gonna get to adjust because you don't want to make the same thing every single time. Unless you want it a certain way, you dig. But you get where I'm coming at. Oh, look at this. Like a slush. Like a slush. Like a slush. Hey, wait, no pour this. Oh, shit. My fault. I could have saw that coming. This I turned on one hand. Hold up. Oh, shit. That's delicious. Holy smokes. Oh, shit. Oh, it stopped recording or was it recording? I thought I stopped recording. Apparently it's still recording, man. This thing came out of slush. Yo. Like a real life slushy, dog. What? I'm happy, cuz. I think I want to blend it. Bro, look at this. Hold on, man. Look at that. This is amazing, y'all. This is amazing. I'm happy. Hey, man. This is tasty as heck. I can't wait to enjoy this. If y'all want to, you know, y'all want to get with this, man, get with our courses down in the description box. You guys want to do that. Get with our original gear. Your American Apparel, one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys want to start a business, you guys don't have one. If you do have one, you want to further enhance yourselves, we got that in the description box for you guys below. Make sure you guys get down with us. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads, you dig. Y'all have a great one, man. Peace, love, and light.